Oh.
If Ivan's sons are involved in this, could be the man himself.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Avenge his brother's death in person. Elias' crew took him out.
Aw, Ranger. Ranger. Ranger, what you doing, BB? What you doing, big boy?
And where? No one knows where Elias gets his information. It's always one step ahead of all of them.
Hey, Tiger.
What I still don't get
I see you, Blizzard.
why Elias is trying to make a move for Brighton Beach.
Hey, Blizzard. And there's the domino. There's the domino. What are you doing, BB?
Last place Marty ran before he got locked up.
Blizzard, what you doing?
So the Don's bastard son came back to clean up?
Tiger, you just like looking into this camera, don't you?
What is that?
Blizzard, what you doing? Hey, Blizzard.
First time for everything.
Hey, what you doing, big boy?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Doing all this in zero training?
Tiger, hey, BB.
Thank you.
What you doing?
Sure. Oh, really? Thank you. If it wasn't for you, I'd be dead right now.
Aw, Blizzard's asleep. I mean, Ranger's asleep. That's Ranger. There's Tiger. Oh, Domino's asleep, and so is Blizzard. You guys are so adorable. Can't believe you're the only one awake, Tiger.